In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mark invoice as paid in Stripe. This is useful when you've already collected payment outside of Stripe. Maybe by bank transfer, cash, or a different system, and you need your Stripe records to reflect that the invoice has been settled. Marking an invoice as paid keeps your reporting accurate and helps your team see the correct status at a glance. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for Billing, then click Invoices. This takes you to the list of all invoices in your account. If you work across multiple environments, make sure you are in the correct mode live or test so you are updating the right data. The Invoices page lets you browse or search, which is handy if you have a lot of entries. Next, find and open the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. You can use the search bar or filter by status to get to it quickly. Once you've clicked into the invoice, take a brief moment to confirm that it's the correct one by checking the customer, the amount due, currency, and any relevant dates. Verifying these details now helps avoid accidental changes to the wrong document. On the Invoice Details page, look to the top right for the More menu. Depending on your view, this might appear as a drop-down labeled More or as a three-dot icon. Click that to reveal additional actions for this invoice. If you don't see it, you may need the appropriate permissions. So check with your account admin from that menu. Choose Change Invoice Status. A dialog box will appear with status options. Select Paid. This tells Stripe that the invoice has been fully settled without attempting to charge a card or initiate a payment. It's an administrative update designed for situations where the money has already been collected elsewhere. And it ensures your billing records and analytics reflect the true state of your accounts. To finalize, click Update Status to confirm. Stripe will apply the change, and you should see the invoice status update to paid on the Details page. You can quickly double-check that everything looks right by reviewing the status badge and the activity timeline on the invoice. That's all there is to it. You signed in, went to Billing and Invoices, opened the correct invoice. Use the More menu to change the status, selected Paid, and confirmed with Update Status. Keeping your invoices accurate helps with clean reporting and smoother operations across your team. Thanks for watching.